Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make crispy and delicious bread potato balls. This is quick and easy snack. Take a bowl, add 4 boiled potatoes, mash them well. Now add 2 spoons cornstarch, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cup chopped onion, quarter spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, half spoon jeera powder, 1 spoon red chilli powder, quarter spoon garam masala, half spoon chaat masala, 1 spoon black pepper powder, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste. Mix everything properly. Now add 4 spoons of breadcrumbs and mix again until they become a nice dough. In another bowl, take half cup all-purpose flour. Add a little salt and water to make a smooth paste or batter. Now take small portions of the potato mixture and roll them into ball shapes. Keep them ready on a plate. Dip each potato ball in the batter. Coat it with breadcrumbs. Now deep fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. Take them out and place on a serving plate. Serve hot with tomato ketchup. Enjoy this crispy snack with your family. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching.